a glizzy?
Here's the before. We just got the Teggies. Areas that we want to look better. We're gonna polish all this chrome up. We're going to take this off on both sides. Make the rims look a lot better.
What's the name of this thing again?
It's called the Daihatsu Mira walkthrough.
A Daihatsu what?
Mira, M-I-R-A, walkthrough.
Mira walkthrough.
Yeah.
Like walkthrough.
Yeah, like walk through.
Wow.
Like you walk through the car.
Who? I would love to meet the person who designed this. It's literally a box.
It's an ice cream truck with the sound effects.
It's literally an ice cream truck, yeah. Do you think they actually sell ice cream out of these things in Japan?
No, it's probably laws against it. I'm gonna sell glizzies. Let's get the show on the road. So when you wash a car, it makes the most sense to start with the bottom?
Yeah, you always want to start with the wheels and the wheel wells and the tires first. And then you work your way up top. You know, top to bottom, I should say.
I always thought it was top to bottom.
Well, yeah, you always want to wash top to bottom, but you always want to start with the wheels first.
Oh.
I mean, the reason is because like, if you're washing a car outside and you spray it with soap, or if you're cleaning it, you don't want anything to dry. So you want everything to,
so the water's gonna continue to...
Correct, yeah. So like, for example, if I went outside and I washed the car and I did, let's say the body first, and then I rinsed it off, it's gonna get dirty, so I'm washing the wheels. So you have to do the wheels first, get those all nice and clean, and then you do the body, then rinse everything off, you dry. So it's a little, I mean, people do it differently. I mean, that's the way I've always kind of done it.
Yeah.
To each their own. Whatever works, I guess, at some point.
It's crazy with just a little foam cannon and water can really do.
Yeah, pressure washer, right?
Yeah, like it already looks better.
Yeah.
Like it was so like dull. It wasn't even white before. It was like egg color.
It's like a cream.
Like look at this.
Set up this glizzy truck. What's the plan?
Like to actually cook the hot dog? Or?
Yeah, so like you're gonna just put like a table in the back with like a griddle or something like that?
I don't know. I really don't know. I could get a rice cooker.
Okay.
And just cook them back there. I could have them kind of cooking while I'm driving to the car meet.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Yeah, I haven't really figured it out yet.
Could be a safety hazard, but I know you like to live dangerously.
Yeah.
You know?
But I gotta figure it out. I gotta have like maybe a little like portable bank back here, like electrical power bank,
Okay.
and do it. But yeah, no, I definitely want to do it ASAP because I don't see me keeping this car in July, so I want to maximize the glizzies that are able to be sold from now to July. That's
What size are these wheels?
14 by 5.
Oh my god.
They're fresh though.
They are really nice.
Are you a 3-spoke hater or no?
Nah, I like the 3 spokes.
okay.
I mean, obviously, I think a 3-spoke looks great on a an RX-7. You know, everybody's always like,
Yeah.
you know, that's what they're known for. But I can dig it on a Daihatsu Mira.
Like K cars in general?
Yeah, I can dig it.
But like not on the Type R.
No, not a Type R. Definitely not a Type R.
I agree with that. I agree with that.
But
I think
I feel
they're
like-
childish.
Huh?
I think they're childish. Like
No. I feel like you should get like hot dog wheels if they make them.
I know they don't make them. I know they make teddy bears. I know they
Like
make
strawberries.
koalas. I know
Yeah.
they make strawberries, but I don't know.
If they did a hot dog wheel.
I would break the bank for a hot dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I also feel like the fact that these are 4x114, you said?
110.
4x110.
Yeah.
And it's a Volk wheel.
Yeah.
That's pretty baller.
Yeah.
But these, I mean, when are you ever going to find a wheel that's 4x110?
That's like a cool wheel.
It's a cool, exactly.
Yeah.
It's a cool wheel.
And it's chrome, which I think kind of goes
Yeah, it has
with
a
my little.
polished lip, which
Yeah.
I think is dope. So.
Yeah, no. I think the car's gonna look great, as always. But
Yeah, I think it's gonna look good. I think once we decorate it with glizzies on the side.
yeah, I gotta put my logo on the window.
Yeah, logos.
Maybe put like a glizzy here,
Yeah.
like half the hot dog, another third of a hot dog, another third of a hot dog.
I think that car will go for an okay amount of money. Once we finish it, it's gonna go for an okay amount of money. It's crazy. Oh my.
This is the before.
This is fucking nasty. Ew.
Oh my god.
You put gas in this thing?
Yeah, once.
That's disgusting, dude. Oh my god, bro.
Look at all your hard work.
Oh my god.
It's like chocolate milk.
All right, ready?
Yes or no?
We're gonna no. We're gonna blast it now. Ready? This. That degrease is no joke.
Wow.
That degrease is no joke. This is actually the perfect car for this towel. You know, when we spray the bead maker on the car, it just makes everything so hydrophobic and so simple to dry. So you can use this towel, it's not gonna scratch anything, and then I'll use the blow dryer. But the towel's so big. I mean, we have a bigger one. Care design.
Oh, it says it up there too? Where?
Yeah, right here.
Wow, I didn't even notice that up there. I know it says it here.
I think it says in the front too.
No way.
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah, it does say it in the
Oh
front.
my god.
Damn, shout out to Care Design. In my opinion, you guys took care of my walkthrough.
Alright, let's see.
Update. Here's how we're looking. I'm actually gonna bring the car back for a full detail. I'm gonna get my first ever full detail. No more swirls, no more imperfections. This potentially might be my forever case, so I'm gonna give this one the full treatment. but it already looks a lot better. Even added these on there. New lights. When I drop it off, he'll fix all this. He's gonna completely coat it, so we're gonna see. I'm gonna leave it here for like 2 days. Usually I just have the car here for a couple hours, but he said he's even gonna like polish the interior, have all this looking nice and spiffy, maybe clean up this plastic along with the door card. I think he said he's even gonna shampoo the interior, but I'm happy. I think that looks 1000% better already. Once I show you guys what it looks like with the glow plate back there.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.